Hey, we're gonna draw a drone today, and as you can see, I sketched in the outline of it. Most drones, at least little hobby drones, are like little small objects, like a little bar of soap, sometimes on the small side, and sometimes they're bigger, but they kind of have a long rectangle shaped body. And then they have a camera right here on the front. And as you can see, we have the little propellers, and sometimes they have prop guards and sometimes they don't. But what you'll notice is it's usually the arm comes out here like this, and then you've got the little engine that connects to the arm, and then you've got the propeller. Now the problem is you can't really see the propellers when it's flying because they're moving so fast. So what you can do is just do a representation of the propeller. These little lines. It looks like an ellipse. And then if you got prop guards, then you can also draw the little prop guards underneath. There we go. See that? So these are like little ellipses. You can think of it as like a little tire almost, or like a little guard. Sometimes drones will have a full-on guard all the way around. Sometimes it's just a small piece. And then you've got the little engine components. You've got the arms that pop out. Sometimes they fold. Sometimes they're just stationary, so they don't fold out. And then you can also do little motion lines around the propeller up top to kind of indicate that it's moving fast and flying around. And then of course you can add some shadows underneath. Pretend that the light's coming down this way, right? And then you've got your little camera too, and you can add some shadows inside there because usually the camera is recessed and it's inside the body. So most drones have these components, and you can apply them in different ways. You can do the prop guards and the arms differently, or the shape of the body, but they're typically always for propellers, and they typically have a prop guard and are moving fast. So there you go. This is a drone from Minicrew. Hope you enjoyed it.